Okay, everybody, time now for another Feature Friday. This is part 4. We're going to talk about the Graphical Work Week application. We're back from some conferences, so we're going to catch back up into our series here. So let's get going. But first, just a quick look at where we are in the series. Again, this particular part will be focused on the Graphical Work Week, which is probably the third most used of the graphical applications. Alrighty, so we use the Graphical Work Week application to schedule and assign work while you're managing those resources over a short period of time. Again, it's designed to show you a particular week, which you can kind of see over on the right-hand side there. So one of the other nuances is that you can create work lists from existing schedules or even the assignment app without having to generate a query, to create a query like we did over in the scheduling application. You can still create queries if you'd like, but you can also create these work lists that you'll see in the work week based on existing schedules. So that's a handy thing if you don't want to learn how to do queries. So of course the obvious value is to stay focused on just the week ahead of that work that you have. And of course you can always publish either printing or exporting these schedules as well. So that's helpful too. Now the top section of the screen is very much like the scheduler. It has less functionality though. Of course you can right click on the cells and get a menu that pops up, certainly much less than what you actually get into scheduler, so that is handy. But in general you have this representation of all of the tasks that are in your particular work week as work orders, just like you have over in scheduler. Now the bottom section of the screen shows the availability or not of the resources that have been assigned to the work that is listed in the upper part of the screen. So again, you right click on different cells and that'll bring up different menu options that you can perform on those cells. So for example, over on the right hand side you can see that the green 900 cells mean that on that day that particular resource has 9 hours open for work based on their calendars over in Maximo. Of course, with all the graphical applications, there's a lot of feature functionality that you'll just have to explore and learn on your own how it actually works, and even if it applies to what you're doing. So that was a quick look at the Graphical Work Week. Hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next week.